How to enable parental controls on Netflix. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you can launch a browser and search for netflix.com. If you have installed your self Netflix application on your device, simply launch it. To start off, you need to log in or sign in into your Netflix account. Tap on the sign in button. Enter your email or mobile number and the password associated with your account and tap on Sign In. Once you have logged in into your Netflix account, you need to select on the profile where you want to enable the parental control. Tap on the drop-down icon to manage your profile. You will see the option Profile Lock. At the side, you will see the Change button. You need to tap on the Change button. As you can see, the profile lock is currently off. To enable it, you need to enter your account password to edit the profile lock for your certain profile. After which, tap on Continue. Now to initiate, enter a 4-digit PIN, then tap on Save. By this way, you'll be able to enable parental control for your Netflix profile. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.